If you simply take the time to learn these phrases, you'll sound more fluent than 90% of all English students. Textbook English does not equal real English. Nobody says something like, "I would like to inquire." We would really say something like, "Hey, quick question. Want to learn a fun fact?" Native English speakers really use the same 200 to 300 phrases every single day. That's it. If you learn these and can speak them quickly without hesitation, you are 90% of the way to being fluent. Let's learn some phrases now. We will learn these in chunks. Make sure to repeat after me. Ready? What do you mean? What do you mean? Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. It depends. It depends. That makes sense. That makes sense. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let's take a mini quiz. What does this mean? I'm down for that. The correct answer is B. Learning these phrases is super important because you cannot always translate them literally. Listen. Wanna grab some food? Wanna grab some food? I'm down for that. I'm down for that. What do you mean? What do you mean? I most definitely don't understand. I most definitely don't understand. Now say them all out loud on your own. I will give you some time. Ready? Go. Do me a big favor and subscribe to my channel. Now let's learn some phrases that are used very frequently. Repeat them after me. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I guess so. I guess so. No way. No way. Seriously? Seriously? That's crazy. That's crazy. No problem. No problem. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. It happens. It happens. That's fine. That's fine. All good. All good. No rush. No rush. Take your time. Take your time. I get it. I get it. I hear you. I hear you. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let me check. Let me check. I'll look into it. I'll look into it. I'll see. I'll see. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. Maybe later. Maybe later. Not right now. Not right now. We'll see. We'll see. It depends on. It depends on. I doubt it. I doubt it. Let's take another mini quiz. How do you say en serio in inglés? Say your answer out loud. That's right. The correct answer is C. Seriously. Good job. Let's learn 20 more quick phrases. Repeat them out loud after me. I hope so. I hope so. I guess not. I guess not. I don't think so. I don't think so. Probably not. Probably not. Most likely. Most likely. That makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Good point. Good point. You're right. You're right. Exactly. Exactly. That's true. That's true. I agree. I agree. Not really. Not really. Not exactly. Not exactly. Kind of. Kind of. Sort of. Sort of. A little bit. A little bit. A lot. A lot. Way too much. Way too much. Not enough. Not enough. Another important part of fluency is your speed. Let's practice saying things faster. Repeat these sentences after me. Remember to try to say them as fast as I do. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. For real? For real? No way. No way. Hang on. Hang on. Hold on. Hold on. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That works. That works. Sounds good. Sounds good. Works for me. Works for me. I'm in. I'm in. I'm out. I'm out. Count me in. Count me in. What's going on? What's going on? What's up? What's up? How's it going? How's it going? How have you been? How have you been? Long time no see. Long time no see. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Take care. Take care. Catch you later. Catch you later. See you around. See you around. Talk soon. Talk soon. Here's a fun fact. Native English speakers don't pronounce every letter of every word. They connect words. For example, I don't know what you mean. We would say something like, I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. Hear that? Now I'm going to show you some Spanish sentences, and I want you to tell me what they mean in English. I want you to say them as fast as you can. Say out loud the first thing that comes to mind. Ready? No pasa nada. You could have said something like, it's okay, no worries, or don't worry about it. Let's try another one. Depende. Did you say, it depends? That's right. Let's now learn the last chunk of phrases. Repeat them out loud after me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I just got here. I just got here. I just left. I just left. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Running late. Running late. I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. I overslept. I overslept. I forgot. I forgot. My bad. My bad. That's on me. That's on me. No worries at all. No worries at all. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's all good. It's all good. We're good. We're good. No harm done. No harm done. Forget it. Forget it. Never mind. Never mind. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. That's enough. That's enough. That's it. That's it. Remember, you don't need thousands and thousands of English words. What you need is the right phrases. In the next video, I'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking in English instantly. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, my favorite blabonitos! Do you like the way I teach English? Check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabonet.